shit. They don't. Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. What's up? Good morning, good morning. Sorry, I'm started a bit late. Good morning, good morning. Alrighty. What do you think about USL bounced off of support and maybe above 73? I'm not entirely sure about USO and crude oil and stuff. I'll be careful. But all I know is these QQQ calls that we got yesterday at the open were up 420%. So that's all I know. So yeah, at this moment, I'm just waiting for just waiting to see where the market goes. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trading places, damn, those calls from Wednesday have closed almost 55% loss yesterday. They were positive. By end of day, in the end, prediction rebound was correct. Expected. It's hard down in the morning. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. It was a risky trade. It was high quality, like a high probability trade that it would work out, but you have to be willing to risk, especially when there's days when it's just not working out. So new low of day on the NASDAQ. Let's see if this closes below. On the 1 minute. New low of day on the SPY as well. All right, I'm gonna take light SPY calls with a low of day stop loss. At the money, SPY calls with a low of day stop loss. Let's see how the contracts and everything are going to move around and everything as well. This is a good trade. Whether it works out or not is irrelevant, but this is a good trade. Let's see if it works. If we close below low of day on the SPY, I will sell these. Let me put the SPY on the chart. Amazon is bouncing very, very hard. Microsoft is also showing a lot of strength. Interesting. Apple is also showing a lot of strength. Interesting. So a lot of these larger tech stocks are showing strength, which is what's causing the market not to continue tumbling. So now if the SPY can break above VWAP here, get a close above 399, ideally, that would be very good for bulls. Nice. All right, so now these contracts are up 10%, so definitely take some profits. Leave runners if you can. But this was a good play so far. We caught the bottom. Nice little wick. Strong candle to the upside. Let's see if we can continue. Or if this fails, then we could fall lower. Okay, so far so good. The main thing is you should not allow this position to go red. So yeah. So far so good. AMC update, please. Sorry about that. I can't look at. I'll definitely take a look at everything soon. Turn my account from 900 to 2K. Nice. What are you in? We just grabbed SPY calls over here at the bottom, and on this top, the candles. Well, sorry, the position ended up going 10%. Never try catching knife. Well, sometimes you have to. Sometimes it works out. This needs to not close below 398.60. If we close below 398.60, then this is going. It's going to be It's going to be a choppy morning. Let's see. Big reversal. And let's see if we get a low of day. Low of day on the SPY. Okay. Interesting. So that was a very, very good longing opportunity, but they reversed it very quickly. So the scalps and everything that we're going to be taking are going to, obviously, you have to be very quick. But you guys had about at least like 4 minutes to take profits above 10%. So worked out. Now we could take a stab at shorts if we get a close below low of day. We could take a stab at it, but it's, I'm not too I'm not too convinced of bearishness. Apple is very close to support. 159.1 is very important on Apple. Obviously, 299.50 is very important on the NASDAQ. 397.50 is important on the SPY. Larger tech stocks are also bouncing off of support. But pragmatically, so far, what we've seen is they're not, so far, they haven't rewarded bulls. But I am not convinced of bearishness just yet. Grabbing NASDAQ calls with a low of day stop loss will probably work as well. Yeah, it looks like everything should be bouncing off of this level. Let's see. I haven't entered yet, but yeah. Let's see. Let's just wait for the next play. Stocks are up today. They're not down. I get the contracts closest at the money. So on the SPY right now, if you were to buy, if we're trading at 397.94, the closest at the money call would be 398. So we're just getting the one closest outside of yeah. This was a very good bouncing opportunity. If they See if this is a fake out. SPY is much stronger relative to the NASDAQ and the IWM. So the SPY is acting much stronger than the rest. Wow, man, these contracts. No, I didn't enter. But the contracts moved very, very nicely. That would have been an easy 20-30% essentially, 20 something percent at least. I wanted to enter over here. I wanted to enter on this candle right here, but I wanted to just be patient and see. But yeah, that worked out also. Keep an open mind, guys. Always keep an open mind when trading. There's money to be made on both sides. Forgot to add the chat bot to stream. All right, there we go. SPY rejected off of VWAP. All I want is for my QQQ calls to go up 500%. So I am waiting for that. In the morning, the calls were up 420%. So it would be nice if we get a pop back above high of day on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is trying to show more relative strength than the SPY. Hmm. Hmm. All right, I'm gonna grab this. So this isn't for smaller accounts. This is more safe, and this isn't really a high quality trade setup, honestly. But I'm gonna grab September 9th at the money SPY calls. So September 9th at the money SPY calls. This is 7 days out. The reason for that is because we already had a big move, and it doesn't make sense to try to continue on. So I'd rather capture some of the upside here since we missed the entry. And these 7-day contracts are going to give us wiggle room, so that even if we do fall lower, it should help. But I mean, sorry, even if we do fall lower, it's not going to be a huge loss. So either way, we get to get some of the upside while not having to risk too much. This is the 1 minute time frame on the SPY. Yeah, so I mean, if we don't if we don't break and hold above the range, so we closed above the range on the NASDAQ, but we did not close above the range on the SPY. But if we don't close above, then this is just going to be a range bound trading day until we break back above. Essentially, the SPY needs to break above 399.5. And the NASDAQ needs to break above 301.5. So if those two levels get broken above, then that'd be nice. So yeah, once we break back above those two levels, then things are going to be very, very bullish in my opinion. SPY 399.5 and QQQ 301.5. Now is actually a pretty good entry for 0 DTEs. You could enter 0 DTEs with a 398.16 stop loss, to be honest. This is actually a pretty good entry point. Once again, like a tight stop loss invalidation. A trade is a trade, so regardless of whether it works or not, our goal is to continue making high quality trades. The more high quality trade setups that you take, along with proper entry and exit points, then making money is an afterthought. SPY and the NASDAQ are having trouble breaking above the VWAP. So let's see. Market has a decision to make soon. We need to close above VWAP. This big wick, this big green candle doesn't mean anything. We need to close above 398.80. On the NASDAQ, we need to close above 301. So far, this doesn't really mean anything. Do not be reactive with big green or big red candles. Like, they automatically wanted to make many people bullish on this green candle. So we just have to pragmatically assess which direction they want to bring the market. So yeah, so far the market is acting choppy. Let's see if we can get a break of the range either to the up or the downside. That should make things more fun. This is the 1 minute chart of SPY. Okay. If we get a close below low of day, and 397.5 also breaks as support, that would be interesting. But we're at very important support now, but a lot of downside momentum. Apple making a new low of day. Tesla made a new low of day. They are not rewarding bulls. If this breaks to the downside, then this would be interesting for bulls. Let's see. I'm gonna take a light SPY calls, low of day stop loss. Shoot or shoot. If this doesn't work out, it's a very nice tight trade, about 15 cents away. If we get a close below low of day, then I'm gonna close out on these. But this is a nice tight play in my opinion. But the overall momentum so far for the day is very, very bearish. We need a close on the NASDAQ above 299.50. The IWM is now starting to show some strength relative to the rest of the market. These contracts are moving pretty fast, which isn't always a good thing, but these contracts are NASDAQ's having trouble closing above 299.50. I mean, at this point, instead of just having it sit here, you might as well just make it crack and fall lower. Like, instead of having us wait. We're sitting at support, so you either make a nice heavy bounce, like I was expecting, or we break low. The faster, the better. Faster the better. The NASDAQ is showing that weakness, just needs a nice close above 299.50, and then the rest of the market can start showing more strength. 397.50 is also important on the SPY. Now the SPY needs to break above the 200 SMA at basically exactly where we are, 397.60. All right, so now these contracts are up almost 20%. So take some profits and leave runners. We call it the bottom, shoot or shoot. This is what we do. Take some profits and leave runners. Don't allow this to go red. Very nice. Cool. Set your stop losses. Don't allow this to go red. We call it the bottom so far, right? Obviously, it was just a nice risk reward trade. We were literally 15 cents away from low of day. We had a very, very tight invalidation. And a trade is a trade. It is what it is, whether or not it works. But so far, this is working. We got to close above the 200 SMA on the SPY, which is good. And now if the NASDAQ can get a close above 300, that would be ideal, and this would start really showing some strength. But it's important to always be pragmatic, and to take profits and basically understand that the overall momentum for the day is still bearish. So I hope you guys made money on this play so far. Very, very simple. We just bought calls at support. Very, very easy trade. And it is what it is. Very nice. All right, we're sitting right at resistance on the NASDAQ. We need a nice candle close like this on the NASDAQ. We need a strong close above 314. If we get that, that'd be nice. These contracts are up. Very nice. Very nice. Easy. Did you guys make money on this play? Did you guys keep on trying to short the bottom? And did you guys try to short support? I hope you guys made money, man. Hope you guys made money on this play, man. The contracts are up over 30%. Easily, at least 30% for everybody. But now these contracts are up almost 40% for me. So easy money. No, we didn't close below low of day. Oh, sorry. Late message. Guys, I want to see a bunch of ones in the chats. I want to see a bunch of ones in the TikTok chat. If you guys made money on the play, double tap the screen as much as you possibly can. If you guys are watching this from the For You page, enter in, double tap the screen, put a 1 in the comment section, double tap the screen if you made money. I want to see a bunch of ones in the Twitch chat. I want to see a bunch of ones everywhere, man. We made this was a really good play. I hope you guys understand why I took it. Super tight in validation. We were literally 15 cents away. The risk reward was insane. And yeah, man, this is a beautiful play. Beautiful play. It is what it is. Like, I mean, this isn't difficult. This is not difficult. Nice. This is beautiful. Now the SPY and the NASDAQ are both closing above VWAP. If we get a close above 398.50 on the SPY, then this is really nice. Very nice. The contracts are up almost 70%. 70%. Oh. Who made money on this play, man? Guys, do not short support. Do not ever try to short support. It's a bad trade. Just go long at support. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Go short at resistance. Go short at easy money, man. Easy freaking money. It looks like we're about to close above this range as well, man. Oh my goodness. Wow. Easy money, man. I want to see 100% play. Let's see 100% play. 100%. Can I see 100% play, please? That'd be spectacular. Contracts are up over 90%. Very nice. All right, so basically we close above the range now on the SPY. The NASDAQ needs to close above 301.56. And the SPY needs to close above 399.5. I would sell the majority of your contracts and everything. I would only hold a small amount. If we continue going up, that's fine. But guys, like, everything is now at major resistance. Take your majority of profits and yeah, Yeah, please just make sure you guys are taking a good amount of profit. All right. The entire market is at resistance now. Just make sure that you're not money printer. Yep, thank you. I like the ones. I like the ones. This is what I like to see. I like the ones, man. I really, really like the ones. You know, thank you, Hamid, Adam, Dan, man. We did not short the bottom. Nice. James King, K Cruz, Banana. What's up, Banana? Jay, Harry, Whiplash, Danny, Clap, Danny, Morbid Intent with a 0. That's unfortunate. Ryan, Xavier, Sean, Chino, DGRL, K Cruz, KG, Lead, Sand Counter, Mac Chef Cooks. KG took September 9 calls and we're 20% down, so sold them. One's in the house. Bought at 4 and sold at 320. Did you end up getting these calls? Who shorts bottom? Helped squeezy my calls. Thank you. I bought the 399 calls from earlier play you had and held and sold at 10%. Nice. Interpreting NASDAQ to temporarily be acceptable VWAP. 1 second. Ooh. If the NASDAQ closes above 301.6, then this is 301.7. If we get a close above 301.7, then that is going to be very, very interesting. Definitely take majority profits, please. Do not FOMO in. Now is not the time to try to enter into shorter dated calls. If you do want to enter into shorter dated calls, you must wait for a retest of support. Now is the time to enter. If you were to enter, it would be after a big move already happens. There's 2 ways to play it. Either you play with shorter dated calls with a very tight stop loss, or you play with longer dated calls with a very loose stop loss. The stock is the SPY. I missed the play. Okay. But yeah, guys, make sure to keep on liking the stream. Make sure to follow. Make sure to follow this. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Make sure you guys are showing love, man. No one on the internet does what we're doing right now. And is there a PDT type of rule for options? So I would recommend you transfer whatever brokerage that you're using. Make sure that you're using a cash account. So a cash account is a complete game changer. So say, for example, you only have $2,000. With a cash account, you're allowed to make 10 day trades for $200 each. So yeah, no. So TD Ameritrade cash account. Yeah, nice. Good morning, Hamid. Good morning, Almighty. Do not short SPY. It's a impulsive wave. Yeah, that's why I wasn't really convinced about shorting just yet. Got 399 call, but only up 4%. What did you buy? We bought calls down here at the bottom. I'd be careful about getting calls up here. So just, you have to wait for a retest. We already had a huge move, guys. This is not, you know, like, don't FOMO in and try to catch a move, because they could easily just bring it back down and then you're left holding. So be careful. Trading places, do you enter stop losses or you manually sell below your set point? I got calls but got stopped out also because I use market settings sometimes when I said why don't find myself. So if I step away from the, like, my desk, then I set an automatic order, but normally I everything is manual because I'm in front of my desk and everything, so it's easy for me to manually input. Okay, now are we waiting for a test of support? Yeah, I mean, I'm not re-entering anything until we get like a solid retest of like important support levels. Or unless we break back above a high of day. But so far, like, we caught the bottom. There's no reason to over trade and be crazy today, because today is the last day before Labor Day. So a lot of crazy stuff can happen. So just for now, we can see that the market made a huge reversal from the bottoms, is trading above the range that it was making earlier, right? So we're trading above 399, which is nice. So now we need to see if we can continue to hold this higher level of the range. Jay, you can use TD, you can use interactive brokers, you can use E-Trade, you can use, use Tastyworks. What would it take to close to see another green day for Tuesday? There's so much that can still happen today that I don't even want to bother thinking about what's going to happen on Tuesday. Let's see how today works out first. Melly, did you buy the calls because it was holding support with those 4 candles? Yeah, exactly. It's just very, very simple. Like, we bought it either on one of these 2 candles. I forgot. I think we bought it on this candle right here. This is the 1-minute chart. So basically, I bought it here, and I said if we get a close below low of day, then I'm gonna sell. Low of day was literally 15 cents away. So it was a very, very tight invalidation. So at most, on the 0 DTE contracts themselves, we would have lost maybe like 3% max if we got a close below low of day. So it was a really, really good risk-reward trade, man. 3% risk in exchange for a very high probability that we bounce and a very high reward. So it worked out really, really well. I have SPY D. Is that similar? I'm not sure what you mean in terms of like similar trading wise. Similar is Webull a good option trading brokerage? Yeah, I guess. But just make sure that you have a Webull cash account. Make sure you have a Webull cash account. Regardless of what brokerage you open, make sure it's a cash account. Someone Sosa, what's good? Shorting at resistance? Nah, the market is too strong. So when we see like a lot of strength in one direction, shorting or like going against that strength intraday is it's not worth it in my opinion. We could short for like quick scalps, but it's not something that I'm willing to share with you guys because it would just then that's when trading gets very very like interesting, but it's like you have to be super super quick and it's like way more stressful. There's no point. When you see a huge move up like this, just buy support. It's very very simple. Buy pullbacks and buy support. If we saw a big move down instead of up, right, then just to make it simple, you just short resistance levels and just continue falling. Oh, we just bounced, short another resistance level. So yeah, that's how you basically should be trading momentum. You know, we had a big move upwards, we had a pullback. You know, buy the pullback. Even if you deposit over 25K, do you still want a cash account? No, a cash account is it's for people that don't have a 25K account, so that they don't have to adhere to the pattern day trading rule. But above 25K, you're good with whatever you want to do. Let's go. Awesome play. Thank you guys. Do you use any other indicators? Yeah, so I use the indicators that you can see on the screen, but I also have the VWAP and the 10, 50, and the 200 simple moving averages. SPY's holding 399.5 like a champ. Wow. Do not FOMO in to calls, in my opinion. Just it's going to be a very aggressive play if you do. So you have to make sure that you adhere to your stop losses. But I think the safer play would be to enter into calls above high of day break. Hamid, you got to teach us how to point out important levels on the chart. How do we point out support and resistance? So what I do is I look at, like, for the past few years, I look at the daily chart, the weekly chart, and the 4-hour charts, and then I map out the support and resistance levels on like the larger time frames, and then I keep on dissecting it into the lower and lower time frames, and then basically that's how I get all of these levels. Very very simple. All right, so this wick, if we don't close above 400 right now on this wick, this could be very bearish. Okay, we close above 400. Not looking bad then. Cool. Never mind. Danny. I hate to say it, most YouTubing traders I'm not into. This is really good so far, and nobody talks about boring money management. Least sexy topic. 403 income. Hope so. That would be nice. That would be nice. Casper, Hamid, I left for a bit. What was the mind process behind you buying that call? So overall today, dude. All right. So overall, basically, I was going to be bullish today as well because yesterday we reversed, and today I wanted to lean more bullish. That's why I didn't take any shorts. And I saw that we were starting to consolidate at support here. It was a very, very tight invalidation play. I specifically said it was such a easy. It was a very, very high quality trade, and we had to take it. So worked out very well. Worked out very well. So yeah, we only had about a 15-cent risk because I was going to we were going to sell that trade if it closed below low of day. We were 15 cents away from low of day. So if it didn't work out, it didn't work out. We were only going to lose about probably only like 2% on the contract, but it is what it is. It didn't close below low of day, and here we are. About to tap another 100% play. Pretty nice. Yeah, Maze. If you're having trouble with that, then you might need to you might need to just have market orders. Contracts are up 100%. Buy high of day. Very, very nice, guys. Good job. Yeah, guys, thank you guys for the follows. Make sure you guys keep liking the stream. You guys definitely made some money. Follow the stream, follow my page, subscribe to my YouTube, follow me on Twitch. I'm the only person that goes live everywhere completely for free. And this is what we do. Contracts are continuing to go higher. Wow. Really, really nice. Really, really, really nice. Good stuff. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The 399 calls, sorry, the 299 calls that we bought yesterday when the NASDAQ was trading at freaking 293. We got into Friday expiration 299 calls. Those are up over 400. These are up 400 and let's see. 438%. I wanted 500%, but I just hope you guys made money today, man. I hope you guys made money today. That's my main concern here. I might, damn, dude, I have to take profits on these, but I want 500%. Damn, I'm about to what's it called when you don't have diamond hands? What's the, I can't even remember. Those are up 400 and wow. Jeez, man. 467%. Paper hands. Yeah, thank you, Ray. Paper hands. Paper hands. Yep. Yeah, man, I was about to paper hand these calls. But these SPY calls are up 130%. My free Damn. I have to sell, man. I'm up friggin' 400%. Ugh. Paper handed. Damn. Paper hand. Yeah, thank you. Got them wet toilet paper hands. Will you do some puts today? No, it doesn't look like it. It does not look like it. Tuna sandwich. What's up? Time to sell. Sell, how much? I don't know. Night Scream 850. Took last week's profit and rented a cabin for 2 days with my family. The money is great, but the memories are priceless. Thank you, man. Damn. Congratulations, man. You deserve it. Congratulations. That's amazing, man. That's beautiful. You're about to have an amazing Labor Day weekend. Come back Tuesday, have an amazing start to your week, man. Congratulations. That sounds so fun. Nice. Caterpillar 1394. Bro has no idea what he's doing. Aw. Alright. I need to block people like this. Alright. Alright, block. The art of consuming knowledge. No one deserves anything. Stop using that word. Come on, man. It's okay, man. You understand what I mean, bro. Just relax. We're having a good day, man. LMAO. Oh. Yeah, no, I can't. Bro has no idea that he helped me make 550 today. Wait, you blocked someone because they were new? No, I blocked someone because they were talking crap, and I don't have time to do that. It's not fair to everyone else. I don't want to waste my time responding to people that can't watch the stream for 15 seconds and see that I'm like helping other people. Yeah. What's the first indicator called? This one over here. This is the. So I use the MACD, and what I do on the MACD is it's not the original settings on the MACD indicator. It's the 3, 10, 16 MACD. So I changed the settings a bit. 3, 10, 16. And then this one over here is the RSI. All right, I'm almost up 500%. Almost up 500%. Almost. 487. 82. A little bit more. Come on. Puts all day next week. I mean, yeah, let's see. $483.33, man. Come on. New high of day on the SPY. 487%. New high of day on the NASDAQ. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Give me 500%. Give me that 500%. 303.53 is important resistance on the NASDAQ. And 401.30 is important resistance on the SPY. Give me 500%. Give me 500% so I can take a step away. 496.79. Come on. Ugh, damn. Oh my god, I'm about to paper hand this. How is this not 500% already, man? Just go. 510%. All right, I'm out of these. I'm out of these. Goodbye. Have an amazing day. Toodaloo. 500 and all right, let's get 516%. I'm out. Shit. What a life. These other contracts are up 100, almost 150%. All right. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. I'll be right back. So yeah, basically, I didn't enter into any other calls, but you could have. So basically, I was saying that if you entered on the break of high of day, then it was a very, very good trade to make. So basically, on the SPY, this was all right. Let me show you guys here real quick. Let me just make a line. Be easier. All right, so this is high of day on the SPY. And I was saying, I was too busy looking at my contracts to have entered this, but this is a nice learning experience for you guys. So basically what I was talking about was if you had entered, so I was saying that the safest entry for calls now would be a break of high of day. And right here, if you had just entered on the close of the candle, on the break of high of day, we have not retested that level yet. We never even came back and retested that level. So even on this big red candle, you would still be in profit. And that's the beauty of just waiting for a really, really nice high setup trade. And holy crap. Are we about to see? I want to see 200%. Can we get a 200% trade on stream? Because these are up 160%. So it would be fantastic if we could. Oh. Yeah, man, this is actually this is a blessing, dude. This is really, really crazy. The first few days, obviously, we didn't bounce as clean, but things worked out really, really well, regardless. So, yeah, guys. So now you know, like, if in the future, after basically like a half hour or an hour of consolidation, a break of high of day or a break of low of day are still very, very good high quality trade setups. So yeah, I hope you guys see that. Go ahead and erase that now. All right, I'll be right back. Yeah, all right, cool. I'll be right back. All right, guys. If you guys made money so far today, please put a 1 in the chat. If you guys have been following and made money following, please put a 1 in the chat. It would be great if I see a bunch of ones. 10:45 a.m. An hour and 15 minutes in. Some amazing plays. So please drop a 1 in the chat if you guys made money. I know many of you guys already made your money and have left, but it would be great. Nice. Nathan, Apex, Paul, Digger. Nice. Pineapple, Jargon, Sam, Karen, 2K, Anish, Ryan, A-Rod, Leo, Gosh, Sean, Billy, Undiminished, Dina, Danny, Lewis. Nice. Love to see it. Very nice. Wow. Can I do this on mobile? Yes, you can definitely trade on your phone. Came in right after you got into the trade. Wish I had come 10 seconds earlier. Okay. Great calls though. Thank you. DTNY1. Nice. I don't really use. I really rarely use the MACD or the RSI in terms of my day trades. I use price action. Price action is the #1 thing that I use for my scalps. But all the indicators are just like extra little cherries on top. Those aren't the main determining factors. $5,600 this morning. Congrats. That's crazy, man. Congratulations, man. I'm speechless, man. Congratulations. 1 to offset longer term put. Nice. You also trade indices like Dow Jones? No, I just stick to the SP500, the NASDAQ, and the Russell 2000. Are you a wizard, Harry? Let's go get him. 1. Nice. Casey, best day so far, but sold too early with the 396 calls. It is what it is, man. Trading, like, just go for base hits. Base hits add up, man. Don't look for huge home runs. I'm new in trading. I like to buy when it dropped to $27.99, but I got scared. What do you mean $27.99? What was trading at $27? I made money, but I was paranoid and cut my entries at 10% profit. Except for my open put, which I sold at 20%. I mean, money is money, man. Money is money at the end of the day. Just because it would be nice if you held runners, but it all depends also on your account size. If you have a small account and you only got 1 contract, you should be very happy making 10-15% on calls. on plays. If you make 10-15%, get out and add up. These wins add up. Base hits add up. 111, please H-Dog define H-Dog. Please H-Dog define invalidation. So in the context of what I was just talking about, I think 10 minutes ago, what I meant was the invalidation of, so say for example, we bought calls at support. our calls would be invalidated if we end up closing below support. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. Are we going to ride the pullback? No. When the market is this bullish, it's not safe to try to fight the trend. So far the market is very, very bullish, man. We're closing and holding above major levels of resistance. We're holding above 399.50. We're currently holding above 400. So pragmatically, the market is in bullish territory compared to where it was. All right, so I wouldn't try to catch any tops here. If you do want to, get longer dated puts, but this is not a time to be aggressively short. In my opinion, RSI is the best indicator for beginners. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely a very important indicator to look at. I think the three best indicators that everyone should have on their charts is the MACD, the RSI, and the 10, 50, and 200 simple moving averages. Those are the best. Daniel Moreno, so frustrating today, dude. Had long from yesterday and the market started dropping, got them out, and it did this. Normally I start a little before the market opens, so I did not see the stream. I mean, you just have to learn from your mistakes, man. I mean, you still made money, so it's better than nothing, but you have to learn from your mistakes. And Casey, how do you define the direction of a trade once you hit support and resistance? How do you define the direction of a trade once you hit support? A lot of that is just dependent on the day-to-day. A lot of that is dependent on the intraday price action. So if intraday I see that the market is not wanting to fall down that much, or if on a larger time, so this is what I do. Like on larger time frames, I look at, okay, on the daily chart, in the 4-hour chart, the indicators and the stock, the price action, it looks like it's going to bounce. So then I approach day trading on that day with a bullish mentality because I see that the larger time frames are bouncing. So that's how I come to that. Justin LaRoche, nice. Theta 1, good stuff, man. Nice to see you here. It's crazy. Made money. Let's go. Let's go, Justin. Hamid melt up to 4,600. I told you yesterday. Daniel, maybe start a little earlier than market, so a lot of people are not in the beginning of the market. Good. Yeah. Yep. I got in a bit late today. I had a few updates that were taking a bit too long. How was your ride to the short side in the last week? Just learning, first day here with you, liking it. Yeah, so we shorted for the past 2 days. We missed like really good shorting opportunities. I think it was on Monday or Tuesday, but then we only missed that one day of really good shorting opportunities. The next 2 days, we were shorting pretty decently. I think we got 170% the other day, and then we got 40-50% on like multiple plays. So yeah, definitely we're market agnostic here. There's no point of marrying one direction. All right, let me read the TikTok chat. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, there's no point of marrying one. Drizzy, if SPY goes below the orange line, is that a bear signal? No, not necessarily. this is the Bollinger Band, right? So this orange line is just the this orange line is the 20 exponential moving average. This is actually this could actually be a no. Okay. Is there videos on price action? Yeah, so look, I would go to YouTube and type in informed trades on YouTube, and then you watch that entire course. It's a 77 video long course, and it shows like the introduction of technical analysis and like all these other indicators. So it's a really good course. I would recommend watching it, and it's free. Informed trades. So yeah, really nice. Alhamdulillah, I got in a trade yesterday, 397 call when SPY was at 391, so for 24%, 18k. Let's go. That's hilarious. Right. Oh my god. 6k to 15k. Oh my goodness, man. Congrats. That's hilarious. Good job. I got in at 397 call. Nice. I had put at 400. Now what? I don't know. Take profit, I'm not sure. 7k to 23k risk reward. That's awesome. Playoff Z, you stream every morning? I'm new here. Yes. I stream every morning. Only other play today. I'm waiting for a better setup. Would you wait for a close above the MBBs? I'm assuming you mean the middle Bollinger Band. But yeah, that's not really what I'm looking for. I'm looking for breaks of support on the price action. These indicators are just confluence. Look at Coles. Paul, I use 8 EMA. Yeah, 8 EMA. Very. You can put the 8, 13, and 21 EMAs as well. But then that's yeah, but just simply the RSI, the MACD, and the 3 simple moving averages are really good. Wait for price to give you direction. Going down now. Is your strategy to simply trade reversals? No. So we do trade reversals, but we also trade with momentum as well. And it's important to have like a diverse arsenal of different trading strategies because it gives you different opportunities. Do you feel this is just a bounce and will fall lower? Maybe because today is the last day before Labor Day, so a lot can still happen. But regardless, for the day, I'm going to remain bullish on the SPY as long as we remain above 399.50. And it's just icing on top the fact that we're still trading above 400. So this is tradingview.com. I didn't need to buy any I didn't need to pay for this chart. This is tradingview.com. And you usually buy 30-day contracts. I only buy contracts further dated if I'm swing trading or if I'm not convinced of the move. But yeah, I only buy something that far out for swings. DTNY, it's just the normal Bollinger Band settings. This is the 1 minute chart, so that's why the Bollinger Band looks different. But literally, you just go to indicators and type in Bollinger Band, and it's like the simple Bollinger Band, nothing changed. NASDAQ, oh, sorry, this is the SPY. How do you find the major? All these dudes are losing money. Well, if you were here earlier, you would see that all these dudes are actually making money. What do you have to say? DRT 1955. You have a response? Here comes 403, impulse wave 2. Maybe, yeah. Do you think this is the last leg down for the market? And are we going to go up from here? Your thoughts? Yeah, I have no idea. Let's just see how the next few hours are, and let's see how we close today. How do you find major support and resistance levels? I look at the daily, the weekly, and the 4-hour charts, and then I chart my support and resistance levels from the larger time frames. Bro, get Weeble account if you want to trade on your phone. Probably. Yeah, Weeble's all right. ADX. I'm assuming by ADX you mean the indicator. I always wanted to I used to use the ADX, but you can mix and match really any indicators, but the main thing is for scalping, especially, is just price action. Casey, when you say close above, when you say close below and above support resistance, you are only looking for one candle to close. Wicks don't matter, correct? Yeah, wicks do not matter. I'm looking for a candle close. Exactly. Juan, thanks so much for your time and help. No problem, man. Thanks. F there, man. Good job on selling those 500%. Thanks, man. Yep. I ended up selling them for 517. 517%. So it was nice. Thank you. Camel criminal. Safe to buy calls here. Yeah, I guess by the when you were looking at when you typed that, probably was safe to buy calls. Yeah. Should we try to play spy calls and pull back 399? 399.50 is major support. I made back all my losses this week from the 200% call you alerted yesterday on Discord. Congratulations, nice. I'm glad I helped. When you say, oh, sorry. Thanks for sharing the URL. Doc DGRL 83. So basically, the jobs report was bad, and because it was bad, the stock market was bullish. So basically, the stock market responds bullishly to negative data like that. Pineapple, send me a message on Discord. There's plenty of international people all using everything. Definitely send me a message. Issa, I was down 3.8k since I started trading with you, and now I'm down to 2.8k. Thank you, bro. Nice. Keep it up. Don't give up. Just keep pushing. Keep pushing. Sean, Hamid, congrats, bro, and congrats everyone who has trusted an amazing person. Thanks, Hamid. Thank you, man. Thank you so much, man. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you made money today, Sean. I hope you did well today. Thank you. HJ Cal, what's the trade now? We didn't enter anything new. Holding on to SPY runners. How long can the markets sustain being bullish on bad news? So the markets so the market and the economy are different. So when the economy is bearish, if the economy is doing bearish, then especially with like not huge things, for example, jobs reports or unemployment, if that data is bad, then the market responds well and the market pops. So that's why we had a green day today, because the market, because it was obviously bad economic data, but that helped make the market go higher. You have tips for someone who really tries to make it in trading but does not seem to make progress? So there's two things. Number one, transfer your account into a cash account. Google what a cash account is, understand why I'm saying this, but transfer whatever brokerage you're using into a cash account. That's number one. Number two is have a trading journal. You need to document every single trade entry, every single reason why you enter, every single trade exit, the reason why you exit, detailed as possible. And that's the only way you're ever going to learn. You need to understand what's not working. And then you need to understand what is working. And then if you continue doing this for a month, you're going to get a lot of good information about what you're doing wrong, what you're doing right. And those are the two main things. What's your view for 30 days? I have no idea. JSNB 123, yeah, basically something like that, yeah. F Bearman, follow this guy, and even a blind monkey can make money. Thank you. Cool. All these dudes are losing. He never said anything afterwards, so I guess I don't need to block him. Who is your stockbroker? If you can answer that question, thanks. So I have a bunch of different accounts, but if you're asking like which the best one is for beginners, I would recommend probably TD Ameritrade. Probably one of the easiest. I want to invest in VU long term. Should I just buy it right now? VU is the Vanguard, right? Yeah, VU is the Vanguard S&P ETF. So if you're holding it long term, I don't know, man. I'd be very, very careful about adding anything long term. But if this is legitimately long term and you don't care about the money or anything, I wouldn't do it personally. 16% on a small account. Nice. Holy crap. Congrats. Beautiful. Trucker, just send me a message on Discord. You only use Bollinger Bands? No. So I use the VWAP I use the moving averages, the 10, 50, 200 simple moving averages. I use the VWAP. I use the RSI and the MACD. If you scalp a lot with Thinkorswim, make sure you check your transactions. They estimate cost. Yeah, so eventually with Thinkorswim and TD and any brokerage, you can negotiate with them on contract, like transaction price. Be like, I don't want to pay. Be like, hey, look, I'm not paying this, blah blah blah. Like, I want a better price on contract. You can easily do that. If you guys have questions about Discord, I can't respond to them here. It's easier if you guys message me on Discord privately, because then when I have time, I can go down the list of everybody and speak to you guys directly. But this is becomes a bit difficult. Do you teach or have a course? No, I'm working on a course, but it's not gonna be I'm not gonna charge for it, obviously. Reason for entering the trade. Copy. Yeah, you need to try to be as detailed as possible in your trading journal. Trading journal is going to help you without me. The Discord is, the link is in the channel description. I could go ahead and let me copy this, post it in the YouTube chat and in the Twitch chat. Also, guys, everyone that's watching on YouTube, make sure you guys, first of all, you guys like the video, right? Because there's a bunch of people and I only have 57 likes. Make sure you guys like the video. But also, there's a 10-second delay on YouTube. So on Twitch, there's only a 2-second delay, and on TikTok, there is no delay. So I would really recommend you guys watch the stream on Twitch. If you're watching it from like a computer or a laptop, you watch it on Twitch. So there's my Discord link, and then on YouTube, I'm gonna share the Twitch link. So make sure you guys go to this Twitch link and then follow me there, and you're gonna be able to get the stream without a delay. October 7th, 128, 123, Amazon put debit for 162. Yeah, man, I mean, a trade is a trade. A lot of things can happen. Yeah. Satellite, I think we might just be coiling for the next leg up. Anything above 399.50 is bullish for me on the SPY. Above 399.50 and especially above 400 is still bullish. Not charging for a course. You truly are an amazing person. Your goal is simply to help people. An amazing person. My goal is to help make people rich, because the more good-hearted people in the world with money, the better the world is. So if I'm the only one making money, it's not as helpful if a bunch of good-hearted people are also making money alongside. So that's the point. But how do you calculate your percentage gain? You take the buy price and you look at the percentage difference between the buy and the sell. You should get a subscriber button so we can emote chat when we all make bank. I don't know. That would, like, you guys would have to subscribe to the channel. I don't want you guys to subscribe, or I don't want any money from you guys. So yeah. And for me to become a Twitch affiliate, I could become a Twitch affiliate or whatever, a Twitch partner and stuff right now, but then I wouldn't be allowed to stream on YouTube as well. So that's don't want to do that. The ones work. The ones work better. That's good. James, nice man. Good luck, man. Hope it works out. Joshua, new to stocks. What is SPY? The SPY is the SP500. Oh, Gambino, a trade is a trade. Sun Tzu. Alan, how much trades? At this rate of winning trades, you're going to be able to pull a Leonardo DiCaprio dating lifestyle. Your stop loss will always be 25, though. Can't go past 25. I live a very disciplined life. I don't like to think about that stuff. Love it. Thank you so much. Bravo. Thank you so much. Barakallah. Thank you, brother. Is low of day considered support? Yes. Danny, karma will be kind to you, sir. Thanks, man. DRG. Okay, I will unfollow. What do you mean? What do you mean you'll unfollow? I'm confused. I don't understand. But is the twerk link the same every day? Like mandates? I do not date men or twerk. What am I reading? Sorry. Institutions are the ones who move the market. And yeah, man, the 3-day weekend. Let's see how this moves. All right, let me read the TikTok chat. Buy is bull flagging. I agree. What do you think the close is today? I have no idea, guys. There's so much time left in the market. But overall, pragmatically, above 399.50, the market is still bullish. So we're holding runners, but the market is starting to basically top around. You could re-enter into calls as we break high day. No, I want you guys to subscribe on YouTube and Twitch, and I want you guys to follow and subscribe and everything. But with Twitch specifically, there's a paid subscription. So I don't want you guys to do the paid subscription. I want you guys to, yeah. Never pay for anything when it comes to me. All right. Nice entry, the stock lounge. Very nice. Good stuff. Now you can stream on both. Look it up. I might be wrong. Yep, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm streaming currently on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch, as well as Instagram and TikTok. But I'm not sure if you could be an affiliate on YouTube and Twitch at the same time and both stream them simultaneously. I think you have to there needs to be a 24-hour period where I don't stream on the other. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Great entry, good job. Where is the best place to learn how to trade options? So the first thing I would recommend doing is learning. You should watch informed trades on YouTube, and informed trades on YouTube, and watch that course, the 77 long video long course that explains technical analysis. So I would recommend you watch that. Once you're done with that, send me another message in chat. I'll tell you what to do next. The indicator on my screen right now, the middle with the bars, this is the MACD, the 31016 MACD. Thank you for your time to help new traders like me. You're welcome. Anytime. Twitch or whatever, same link. Yeah, Leo, so I would recommend you just watch the stream on Twitch. So you make an account and follow me on Twitch so that you get a notification when I go live on Twitch. Because the delay there is basically non-existent. But if you're watching on YouTube and we're trying to scalp, there's a 10-second delay. So today it worked out really, really well, even with the delay. But obviously every second counts. It's Michelle. You know why I'm laughing right now. Okay. DGRL83. Oh, sorry, my friend, I missed it. No, you're good. Thanks. All right. Cool, guys. So yeah, basically today was a really, really solid day. We caught really, really nice plays. Today was a really, really good day. It's 11:22. Very early. We made our money. We're up big. Labor Day weekend. It is Labor Day weekend, right? Labor Day? It's Labor Day, right? Yeah, Labor Day weekend. Yeah, just go enjoy life. Happy Friday. I'm gonna end the stream a bit early today. But yeah, overall my bias on the market is gonna be bullish above 399.50. And we're comfortably trading above 400 still. So this is still very, very good. And the calls are up well over 100%. So this is good. I haven't even looked at the calls. But yeah, regardless, I mean, we're holding on to runners. And the market looks bullish. So it's nice. So yeah, guys. Oh, wow. Aussie trader. I'm from Australia and love your channel. Staying up till 2 a.m. trading alongside your commentary. I don't trade options, but still love the community. Damn. Aussie trader 80, man. That is crazy. Thank you so much. That really means a lot. I'm nice. Thank you. Like, nice to be here. Or nice to see you here. Thank you for your time to respond to the questions. Sometimes sounds dumb, but you were so patient in the beginning. I mean, no, everyone was a new person at one point. No one comes into anything as, you know, a professional. So it's important to always help. All right, guys. I will see you guys bright and early on Tuesday. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Love you guys. And I will see you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good one.